Hey guys, this is Amar. I hope you've had a good day because I'm recording this pretty much almost at the fag end of the day. I'm doing these two videos, thought of the day video and reading my book, reading the books that I'm reading. So these two videos I'm putting out. Besides, I'm also working on a vlog for the channel where I'm kind of vlogging my life. That should come out a few times a week. So these are the pieces of videos I'm doing for this channel. The entire idea is to try and make you guys happy, try and learn together, grow together as people, right? So the reason I'm reading my books, because I think it's a good idea to read my books and explain what I've written, why I've written. At some point, some people would be interested in reading those books, and hopefully I would be able to inspire somebody through these videos, right? So today we're doing a thought of the day, and the thought is on action. Thought is on action, and I just realized this is so true. It's such a beautiful thought that, I mean, sometimes you find very difficult to put your emotions into words, right? Sometimes it's not easy, and then you read and somebody else may have put your emotions into words, right? So sometimes I get really frustrated. I'm a very restless guy, and I generally judge myself by whatever I produce every day, even if it's not generating, money, or it's not generating results. My entire effort is कि कोशिश में कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए, that there should be no deficit in the effort that we put, at least because the effort is in our hands, the results are not, right? So that's important. So this is what this thought is about. So it's about happiness and it is about action. So both. So it says we must be doing something. It's by William Hazlitt. The thought is by William Hazlitt, and the thought says we must be doing something to be happy. We must be doing something. We must be doing something to be happy. Action is no less necessary to us than thought. Action is no less necessary to us than thought, and we must be doing something to be happy, right? So basically this thought is saying that action is so important to us than thought. We can think all day, we can think a week, we can think all month, we can think all of our lives, but if we don't take the actions that we're supposed to take, there's zero possibility that we'll achieve anything. Because let's say you want to achieve a certain goal, and on one side you don't do anything towards it, there's absolutely zero possibility that you will achieve that goal. But if you do take action, like I'm doing right now, making these videos, and if this channel works and inspires hundreds and thousands and millions of people, I would have attained something. Because if you do take action, there's possibility that you will be able to achieve something. So it makes sense to take some action, not just for the specificity of results. Actions are also important because they make us feel that we did something and we took effort, and they make us feel good about ourselves. Actions, when we act towards our goals, when we do something, when we take steps towards our goals, irrespective of the results that we get, we do feel respected. We do feel actions are a very important source of self-respect. Because I realize, and I don't know, I'm sure you can reflect that about your life, but when I do things, when I work hard, when I take action, like I'm recording this video, it takes a lot of effort to record videos and upload those videos. I do feel good. I feel that I've done something worthy. I feel that I've made an effort to inspire some people. Right? So take action towards your goals. No matter how hard it looks, because it's like the same as asking, right? If you don't ask for what you want, there's zero possibility that you get it. And if you ask for what you want and you get a no, there's anyway zero possibility in case you didn't ask, but you make it a yes. So take the action, because action, we must be doing something to be happy, right? We must be doing something to be happy. Alright, that's the thought of the day. And I hope you're liking the videos I'm putting out. Some of you are liking it. In case you like some of these videos, do share it with your circle, because it's a new channel, and I need all the support from people who watch it to be able to grow this channel. Because I really hope that at some point, I really wish that at some point this channel will grow and I'll be able to inspire hundreds and thousands of people with my books, with my blogs, with the stuff that I put out, with my videos. That is my goal with this channel. I want to make people happy. I want to make people happy on a consistent basis, like my book Happiness in Your Skin aims to, right? That's my goal, because eventually one day I'll die, right? And the way I look at life, I look at life long term, right? I don't look at it short term, because if I was looking at short term, I probably wouldn't be making these videos, because they're being watched by very few number of people right now. But I look at life long term, and I think 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, I don't know how many years to have I got, but 10, 20, 30 years, 40 years down the line, somebody may watch this video and say, wow, this made me feel better. And if that would happen, my life would be worth it. That's the reason I'm doing all of this, because I'm thinking long term. Yeah. So that's my goal. I want to make people happy. I want to inspire people. That's the reason I'm doing all this shit, right? Cool. I hope you have a good evening ahead. In case you're in a different part of the world, I hope you have a good morning ahead. Alright, thanks for watching, and thanks for staying subscribed. Thank you. Bye.